Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video we'll be reviewing and testing out the Lonicera instant read me thermometer. Now this allows you to check the internal temperature of whatever you're cooking, or specifically meat. So I'll be testing it out after I do an unboxing and see how it performs. Alright, so first things first, there are some grooves right at the end, so you literally just lift it up and you get a very interesting box. This box has an image with the thermometer and the heat measurement that he uses. He uses Fahrenheit, and it shows you how to calibrate at 3 points. That's interesting. Okay, so here's the user manual. And this is the meat temperature guide. So it shows you, which is pretty useful, it shows you what the cooked internal temperature should be, and how much it should be when it's finished. So you have the doneness, you have the temperature for serving, and you have the cooking and serving recommendations, which is good. And they give you the USDA minimum requirement. Alright, this is the thermometer. It has a little strip that you can use to remove the plastic covering. We have a battery. It comes with two AAA batteries. And here's a thermometer stick. So I'm just going to take out this all together. Oops. So I'm just going to lay this here. And the thermometer stick. Oh, correction, is not a thermometer stick, because what happened is that you have some that are detachable. So this is actually the screwdriver for the battery. Guys, read your manual. But yeah, this is the battery. Here is the screwdriver to unscrew the back with the battery, and here's your thermometer stick. So let's just observe it and see what we can see so far. Well, it's digital, that's why there's no buttons. So we have even some help on the outside where it can tell you the degree it needs to be for certain things like pork, steak, fish, chicken, which is good. So you have a more easily available reading that you can go by. I'm not sure if it's just a part of the plastic covering or if it's actually a part of the display. Let me take it off. Okay, it actually isn't, so good. Alright, so apparently you can actually change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius by just holding down. Alright, yeah, so let's actually open this because I did insert a battery off cam. So let's get to it. Something to note, on opening or on retracting the thermometer end, it will turn on, so you will get the temperature reading beginning to show on the display once it is open, and it will turn off once you close it, so it's switch based. Alright, so I will start cooking something, then I'm going to test it and we'll see what it shows. But before I do that, just to show you that it's actually picking up the surrounding temperature, whatever temperature is currently being felt or being conducted by the end. Let me just touch it, and you'll see it starts to read my body's temperature at my fingertip. So it is working, and you see it starts to fall back. Alright, so let's get to cooking something and seeing how it operates with actual cooked food. Alright, so I'm going to test the temperature, or the internal temperature. It should be, let's try any piece of meat right now. Alright, so I'm getting around here, so it should be 165. Alright, so this definitely needs to be in a bit longer. This is okay. That's okay. Oops. That's also okay. Let me just make sure. Okay, so this piece definitely needs to be in there a bit longer, but the others are good to take out. So it is working. Okay, you can clearly see that these meats are in there together, and it is giving different, well, consistent temperature for a few, but giving a lower temperature for the bigger piece of meat, which makes sense. So let me just remove that and keep cooking it for a bit longer. So this is definitely helpful for, say for instance, if you're trying to properly cook something through and through, and you want to ensure that it's cooked properly. This can prevent salmonella and a lot of other foodborne diseases in terms of chicken, and other so food in terms of cooking improperly. So definitely invest in getting one of these. It works. All right, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.